Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to rename a space within your art browser. Now as you can see, I have multiple spaces here on the lower left hand side on my sidebar here, right? So you see that I have multiple different spaces. Now if you like to rename a space, as you can see, this particular space is called YouTube, right? Now, if you want to rename the space, you can do this a few ways. So you can click on the name of the space and it will put it into edit mode. And you just need to click towards the end and you can delete the space if you want, or you can simply go ahead and you can just name the space whatever you want. So let's say I want to call this YouTube videos. I can write it whatever I want. Then once you do that, you can just simply click on done towards the right hand side, and this will rename the space for you. The next way we can do that is by simply go ahead and right click on the space name. So if you right click on it, you can easily go ahead and rename space and it will do the same thing. Put you into that section where you can edit it and you can name it whatever you want. Then you just need to click on done from here, right? Another way is by clicking the ARC logo on the upper left hand side. So if you click on that, you need to go to spaces and then you have rename space. So you can click on that and it will take you here and give you a little pop-up of that particular space name, and you can name it or rename it to whatever you want. So I'm going to rename it YouTube videos, right? Again, and just simply click rename and that particular space will be renamed. And guys, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question whatsoever, and as well hit that subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.